Welcome to MBBS Council. Because of recent changes in All India Counselling introduced by MCC, all NEET 2021 qualified candidates have opportunity to get MBBS through government counselling. In this video, I am going to talk in detail about this recent trend in counselling across states to fill all seats through counselling conducted by government body. If you are new to this channel and looking for MBBS or PG admission, subscribe to this channel now and click the bell icon to get regular updates. Install MBBSCouncil Android App. It contains everything you need to know to predict and rank medical colleges for your NEET rank. You can see last year's joint candidates list of the All India Counselling released by Medical Counselling Committee. Candidate with All India rank 8,18,580 got MBBS seat in Sri Siddhartha Medical College in straight round counselling under management quota. The corresponding NEET score was 113, which is the qualifying score for reserved category. We will see why the closing rank went almost close to qualifying rank and why we expect this year NEET cutoff in mopup round to be around the NEET 2021 qualifying score. There are 266 private medical colleges with 40,215 MBBS seats as per the NMC approved medical college list. 15% of these seats, which comes to around 6,000 MBBS seats, would be available as NRI quota. But there are less than 1,000 NEET qualified candidates under NRI and OCA category put together. Moreover, many of these students will pick government quota or management quota seats depending on their NEET score. Because of this, nearly 80% of the NRI quota seats will remain empty after the final round of counselling. Let's see last year allotment statistics for deemed university counselling. Out of the 1,237 NRI quota seats, only 150 seats were filled during round 1. 90 seats were filled during the round 2 and only 41 seats were filled through mop-up round. This comes to around 280 MBBS seats, which leaves close to 1,000 NRI quota vacant seats after the end of MCC counselling. MCC recently announced that these seats will be converted to management quota seats during mop-up round counselling and filled with management quota applicants. This increase in number of seats filled through government counselling itself will make the NEET score cutoff to come down till the qualifying score. Moreover, many state counselling authorities have already begun converting NRI quota to NRI lapsed or NRI converted seats, for which management quota candidates are also eligible. Tamil Nadu converts unfilled NRI quota seats to NRI lapsed seat and reduces the tuition fees to Rs 20.5 lakhs per year from the first round counselling itself. Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka converts NRI seats to NRI converted seats during second round. Karnataka allows students from all states to pick other quota seats even if they do not belong to NRI category. Maharashtra calls these seats as institutional quota seats, and students from any state are eligible for this institutional quota. Karnataka and Maharashtra charge high tuition fees for others and institutional quota seats respectively. Soon, other states will also convert unfilled NRI quota seats and make it available for management quota candidates, which will reduce the need to conduct straight round counselling or direct admission in private medical colleges. If you find this video helpful, cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. If you are looking for expert guidance during this year counselling to get best medical college for your NEET rank, contact Paid Admission Helpline 044 4631 3330. See you in the next video.